perhaps you are currently considering the option of opening your front doors using key fobs. Let's answer the most common questions from HOA meetings together.
Why should we even consider acquiring a chip system?
The most frequent problem for an apartment building is keys, both their loss and the frequent wear of the lock cylinder, causing people to pull on the key when opening doors, including the fact that the apartment building has no control over how many keys were made for their doors. The RFID system effectively addresses this very problem, bringing many new functions that will enhance your apartment building's door operation. Smartkey hardware can be opened using a copy-protected key fob. Or by using your PIN code. Using a mobile application.
So, chips are controllable and blockable, but how is the system administration handled?
The management of the Smartkey system can be carried out directly by the Homeowners Association, or you may utilize the services of our authorized service partners, who prepare the chips directly at their own operating locations. You have the option to pick them up in person at those locations, or they can conveniently send them to you via postal delivery. The Smartkey hardware components are managed quite conveniently through the dedicated Smartkey mobile application. With this system, you can download the full access history from the lock, block any lost or stolen key fob, or easily check the current status of your batteries.
What if the power goes out in our house? Will we be able to get home?
Thanks to our hardware operating on batteries, you won't be troubled by 230-volt power outages. Our locks operate autonomously, even during an outage, and as long as the batteries aren't depleted, you can always open the door.
What if the battery runs out? How do we open the door then?
In the event that the battery on our smart lock runs low, a USB-C connector is located there. You can plug in a power bank to re-energize the lock for a single access using a key fob, or open it with a mechanical key.
We have door phones. Will we be able to open the doors from our flats?
Connecting apartment intercoms is also one of the very important functions of the main entrance door to any residential building. Smartkey has developed a wireless module for connecting your phone, so you are able to open even locked doors directly from your apartment units without needing to perform any additional electrical installation into the door frame itself. Opening is simply done using your home phone.
We want it to be locked so no one can break into our house. Can the hardware be installed on a self-locking door lock?
We always recommend combining Smartkey hardware with self-locking door locks, which will securely lock the door as it closes into the door frame.
Will installing the handle comply with fire regulations?
The Smartkey hardware features a crucial panic function, which ensures full compliance with all fire escape legislation. This means that the doors will open simply by pressing down on the handle, even if they are securely locked by a self-locking mechanism. This guarantees that you can safely and quickly evacuate the building in the unfortunate event of a fire.
What other capabilities can we utilize?
Another feature is the so-called chips with restricted access settings. These are key fobs, for example, for postal services, who shouldn't always enter the house. You set a specific time and specific days when they have access to the house, or for some craftsmen who are only allowed access for a certain date, and after this date, their key fob automatically stops working, even if they don't return it.
Can the system expand to other doors in the house?
The system can conveniently be extended to other shared areas in the building, such as entrances to basement spaces, the HOA office, or elevators, thanks to battery operation.
We sincerely hope that this video has provided you with answers to your questions about the system.